Hi everyone. Welcome to this session number 24 on introduction to statistics. So in this session we are going to discuss about the median. So how to find the median for group data. Okay, so this is our data. So the marks are divided into different class intervals, and if you see, these class intervals are continuous classes. Okay, and the right hand side we have the number of students based on the marks they got, so they're also distributed into different class intervals. Okay, so if you see, so like in the session number 23, if you remember, so we discussed about the two types of cumulative frequencies, right? So one is less than type, the other one is more than type, right? So there I said, so we are going to use these cumulative frequencies to find the median, right? So therefore here, to find the median, so you can use either less than type cumulative frequency or the more than type cumulative frequency. So there is no restriction on that part. Okay, so but in general, so whenever if we want to find the median of a group of data, so we use less than type cumulative frequency. So therefore in this question also we are going to use less than type cumulative frequency. So the formula we are going to use to find the median is, so median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F, and this total is multiplied with H. Okay, so let me write down the each letter what it describes. So here L is nothing but the lower limit of median class, lower limit of median class. Then here n is nothing but the total number of students, total number of students. So that is nothing but, if you remember, so this total number comes from the total number of frequency, right? Sigma fi. And then we have two terms. One is a CF. This is a CF represent the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So here we are going to have many frequencies, right? Many cumulative frequencies, but which one, which cumulative frequency we should take? So we should take the cumulative frequency that is preceding to the median class. Okay, so this is a very important median class. Okay, so median class, so I'm going to underline this. Okay, preceding to the median class. And then we have F. So generally, so we use the F for frequency, right? So frequency, so frequency of what? Because here we have various frequencies, right? For each class interval we have frequency, but which one we should consider? We should consider the frequency of median class. Okay, so you should be very careful, CF and F. So CF is preceding to the median class and F is of the median class. Okay, and then we have H. So this is our general convention. H we denote use to the size, right? So the class size. If you see in all these notations, the only thing we required first to find L or CF or F. So what we required? We required the median class, right? So we need to first determine the median class. So that is our first step. Whenever we are finding the median for group of data, so first our step one is to find the median class. So step one. So identify or determine the median class. So why we require this median class? If you remember one of the session where we are discussing the mode for a group of data, so there also we have one class, right? Modal class. Our mode lies in the modal class. Similarly here also median lies in the median class. Okay, so that is the first step. So how will you identify the median class? Okay, So to identify the median class, so what we require the value of n by 2. Okay, so n is the total number, then divide with the 2. So this is the way to find the median class. First we will find the n by 2. So n is nothing but the total number of students. Let us find the total number of students. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 7 29, 29 plus 9 38, 38 plus 7 45, 45 plus 8 is how much? 53. So that is the total, and divide with the 2. So 2 2s are 2 6 are and 5. So right. So after finding the n by 2, so now what we need to do, look for CF, look for the cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to this value n by 2. So that is the corresponding median class. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, so let me draw the table so that so we will construct the table, so that will be easy for us to find. Okay, so we need 3 columns. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let me put it down here. So yeah, so what is the first one? So we have marks, right? And then we have the number of students here, number of students. And then in the third column, so we are going to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, CF. Okay, so here the first is 0 to 10, right? 10 to 20. Then third one 20 to 30. Then 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So let us insert the more rows. Okay, so because it will be easy for us to draw proper table, right? So we'll insert the more rows. Then okay, so this is 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, then 70 to 80. So 2 more. Okay, okay, yeah, so this is 80 to 90, then the last one we required. Okay, so okay, so 80 to 90 and this 90 to 100. Okay, so if you want to insert one more row, you can insert to write the total number. So that is not required, but it's okay if you want to write it, no issue. So I am writing this one as the total n. Okay, or small n, you can use small n or capital N. So here I used small n, so I am writing small n also. Okay, so the number of students here, it is 5 3 4 3 3 4 7 9 7 8. So we got total how much? 53, right? So now here, so as I said, we are going to use the cumulative frequency of less than type, right? So less than type is nothing but adding from the starting. So 5, 5 will be 5 only. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4. So we are going to add, right, the this 12 is added to the next one. So 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 7 29. So 29, so this is 38, 38 45, 45 plus 8, that is 53. Okay, so this is a cumulative frequency, right? Now what I said here in the step 1, whenever if you want to find the median class, first find the n by 2, so that is 26.5. Then look for CF that is greater than or equal to n by 2. So now here these are all the CF values, right? Now tell me which CF value which is greater than 26.5. This one, right? So after finding the n by 2, you find the value in the CF which is just after 26.5. So that is the simple way to remember, just after n by 2 value. Okay. So the corresponding class interval is the median class. So therefore here the median class is how much? 60 to 70. So this is a very important. Okay, so now here we just write only the values. So this is, so what is the L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. So lower limit is 60. Then we have already n by 2 is how much? 26.5. And then we required CF. Now you tell me CF, what is, which one CF, you tell me. The CF is the preceding to the median class, right? Because this is a median class, the preceding. So therefore the just before this. So therefore this one. So CF is a 22. And F is of which class? F is of median class, right? So therefore median is how much? Sorry, median class is 60 to 70. The corresponding frequency is how much? 7. Okay. And H, so generally whenever you have continuous class intervals, we are assuming that the class intervals are of a uniform class size. If a class sizes are not same, if they are different, so then we take the class size of the median class. Okay, so here the class size is 10. Okay, so we know, right, the upper limit minus lower limit. So then we have all the elements. So we just need to substitute the values in the formula, right? So therefore the median is equal to L plus L is almost 60 plus n by 2. So we have already 26.5 minus n by 2 minus CF. CF is 22 and that divide with the frequency. So that is 7. So this total value is multiplied with the class size, that is 10. Okay, so let us simplify. So 60 and 26.5 minus 22, so that is 4.5 divided by 7 and is multiplied with the 10. So then we simplify further. 60, so 4.5 into 10, so that is a 45 by 7. Okay, so if you simplify this by taking the LCM of 7, okay, you can, or else you can simplify directly here. So I'm going to simplify here only. So I don't want to extend, okay, further, because it is very simple calculation only. Okay, so let me erase this. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to simplify. If you simplify this, so you would be getting the value 66.4. Okay, so therefore the median of the given data is 66.4. Okay, so this is the way we will find the median of group data. Okay, so if you remember, we just followed only two steps. First is write the table of cumulative frequency. So here we are going to use generally the less than type of cumulative frequency. That is the first step. And second step, after writing this table, so we need to identify the median class, right? So we just find the n by 2, then we take the CF which just greater than or equal to n by 2. So that will be our median class. Okay, so that's all for this session. Okay, so thank you. So I would request everyone to like and share, subscribe, Okay, so this gives me the immense confidence, okay, motivation to upload and to make different videos and different concepts of mathematics. Okay, thank you.